you can make holiday variants of classic cocktails. And I have chosen to make a holiday version of a negroni. If you don't know what a negroni is, it's a 1-to-1-to-1 cocktail, which is 1 part Campari, which is an Italian bitter, 1 part red sweet vermouth, and then 1 part gin. But sort of for color, and actually the reason I went with this is because of its bright red Christmassy color, I'm actually gonna go with a blonde vermouth so that it lets the red kick up. This ends up turning it a little bit more brown, which isn't really the look that I'm going for. So, like I said, it's a 1-to-1-to-1, so what you'll do is do 1 ounce of Campari, 1 ounce of vermouth, and then 1 ounce of gin. And I like Bombay Sapphire. Another nice thing is the gin is a juniper berry liquor, so that it gives it kind of a Christmassy pine tree smell that I also think is kind of seasonal. So you'll take that, we'll put in a little bit of ice here, cool it down, and then we'll just go ahead and shake that up. And then we're going to take our prepared glasses and go ahead Okay, here's one of those glasses where we prepared the ice. The one thing that's kind of unfortunate, that great green ends up turning a little bit blue when you freeze it. But then we'll pour and see it's got this lovely red color here. And another thing you might want to do for just to give it a little more Christmas flavor is take a little bit of grenadine syrup, just a little splash in there. It's red and it'll also sweeten up that kind of bitter negroni like that. And then we'll take one of our long cinnamon sticks, go ahead and give it a spin, and then we've got our Christmas cocktail with our little Christmas tree of the herb there, and then the nice cinnamon swizzle stick. Pretty good stuff. A little bitter, but with the sweet, it's kind of fun. Definitely pine tree-ish, very sort of Christmassy cocktail there. So if you want to do a fun mocktail, you can actually take your ice here like this. Let's go ahead and throw in some soda water. And then we're going to use these Peychaud's bitter, mainly because they're red, but they also taste pretty good. So you just put a couple in there. And then to make it exciting, we'll use a little bit of this red grenadine syrup, sorry, not soda. And what's fun here is now you've actually, I don't know if you could see very well, but there's a red layer right on top of the green layer. Unfortunately, we're going to take the cool looking and ruin that by go ahead and give it a quick stir with your cinnamon stick. Still kind of green and fun. Yep, that's pretty good. It's very subtle, mostly just soda water flavor. Again, you can sort of adjust that by doing more bitters or more of the syrup.